Hey, good morning, ladies and gents. It's just my opinion, Bob, and it's April 6th, 2025, with another lovely day in South Carolina. I hope everything's good at your end. Yesterday, I did a video on the Fender Paramount, and I just kind of talked about it because I had Beauregard in my lap here, and I just kind of did an overall thing. But today, I wanted to talk because I get a lot of comments, and I see a lot of people also in the different sites I'm on. A lot of people will talk about pickups, and some people are sold on K&K, which I like. I like for certain circumstances. A lot of people like the LR bags, which is a very good system. The Fishman, everybody's kind of so-so about, but they're okay. And everybody has their favorite when it comes to acoustic guitars. And condenser mics are always a good choice if you want to mic your guitar through a PA. A condenser mic is super. But I was also kind of so-so like I was about Fender. I was so-so about the Fishman preamps and pickups. But this Paramount series, they've done something a little different. Either Fender helped Fishman engineer or something. I'm pretty impressed with it. It is probably my favorite now, even over the K&K. I really like this pickup system. So I have two guitars here. They're both Fender Paramount. One is a PM-1, which was the older series, and this is the latest series, the PD-220e. It's supposed to be, they call it refreshed, new and improved. I got to tell you, I mean, if you look at the fronts, the main difference you're going to see right away is the pick guard. I mean, yeah, that's obvious. The inlays are a little bit different. The backs, the sides, everything. It's again, the inlays are a little different, and maybe that's the refreshed. I don't know. As far as I'm concerned, it's not a big deal. It makes it look nice, but doesn't make me sound any better with the nicer inlays in there. So today I'm going to show you the difference with this pickup. Now, maybe you'll hear a difference, maybe you won't. I do hear one difference, but maybe you'll hear more than I do. Or maybe you'll want to hear more than I do. Boy, that happens so many times, especially when you bought something and laid your money out. You want it to sound better than something else. And I'm not like that often. I'm the first one to say, boy, I learned something right there. But anywho, let's get to it. And the biggest difference I did notice with these two pickups is the older series, the Fishman. I'll do this one first. This is a Fishman with the piezo underneath the saddle. And then it comes with, in the side, they have put the guitar tuner in here. Then you have your volume, and then your two tone controls, your high and low equalization. A lot of people don't like this. I like it. It's very handy. It's very handy when I'm playing out or playing with someone. I like to have my controls right here. It's okay to go in here, but it's a little awkward for me. And it always seems like this guy, I know people don't like to put a hole in there, but this guy always seems to fall out once in a while, depending on the weather or how well it's put in. And then also the battery is at the bottom here. So the battery's at the bottom, which is what I like, and along with the input. And a lot of people don't, but that's for me. So I'm not saying what you should like and what you don't, and I know you'll tell me. But anyhow, this is the original Paramount. Not the original. This was also redone some time ago. But as I said, it sounds a little hotter to me. And I will use the PA here. And that's what you'll be hearing. A lot of people last time said, well, we're hearing the guitar more than we are the PA. I have the mic right in front of the PA. So let me just get the volume set. Couldn't stand another hour of daylight. Bring on the night. Couldn't stand another hour of daylight. That's what it sounds like, and it sounds pretty natural to me. It sounds pretty natural. So now do it without the pickup, with just the microphone. Yeah. That's that. That's the original Paramount. Now see if you can tell the difference between this and the new one. Now the new one has a lower signal. I don't know why. It might be due to because there's two elements in this one. They have the microphone, some type of microphone up on the body here, and then you also have the acoustic or the piezo in the saddle, and then there's a knob where you can blend the two. There's no equalization. There's just a knob to blend those two pickups and a volume control. So this is what this one sounds like. Again, I gotta boost the volume a bit. There we go. Bring on the night. Couldn't stand another hour of daylight. Yeah, I like that tune. But nice tone. I mean, it sounds like a loud acoustic to me. It doesn't sound phony baloney whatsoever. You may have a different opinion. This is what it sounds like without the pickup, just on the microphone here. I don't know. I think it sounds pretty good. I'm impressed. Now, as far as the difference between these two guitars, that, in my opinion, in my experience, in my talent level, that is the only difference I can find. Otherwise, these both play identical. They're both Sitka spruce tops, solid, all solid mahogany back and sides. These are all solid wood guitars. As I mentioned, they're made in the Court factory over in China. Great workmanship. I guess it comes down to whichever pick guard you like. I don't know. Maybe you don't like any of them because I know a lot of people don't even want a pick guard on their guitars. So everybody's got their own thing. I hope that solves that mystery for you. And I'm just using this little custom or power wick, whatever they call it, just straight through with this, no effects or anything like that. I'm making two videos today. The next video I'm going to do, because I didn't want to make them too long and bore people. The next video I'm going to do is the truth, what the real truth is about tariffs. I see all these other guys on YouTube posting these videos about tariffs and how the company's going to reorganize and how they're going to cut this and save money here. They're going to do this and do. I'm going to show you. That don't mean a hoot, whatever they're talking about. I'll tell you the reality. a person from experience and a person that invests. So catch you on the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I gave you some information. Leave a comment if you need something more, but both of these guitars are winners. I'm so thrilled I've tried Fender acoustics, and it's the Paramount. I tried the Palomino, and that was a nice guitar, but I didn't like it as much as these Paramounts. I tried the Palomino at a music store. Very nice, another quality built instrument, but this is for me. I like the open gear tuners, everything about it. I just love it. So till the next time, see you later. Have a good day.